In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore deleted files in Adobe Express. Now you're going to have to go to your Adobe Cloud Storage, but let me show you how to get there the quickest way possible. So you want to open Adobe Express and you want to go to your Home tab, then you want to click the three dots on any of your recent files over here, and you want to click on Delete. Now we're not deleting, we're just going to click on a link. So click on this button over here, and instead of actually deleting, you want to click on Adobe Cloud Storage over here, and it's going to take to that link and it's going to open it up in a separate tab in your browser. Now in here, of course, if you're not logged in, you will have to log in first, and then when you log into your same account you use with your Adobe Express, you want to go to Files here on the left, and you want to click on Deleted. And then in here you'll be able to find your deleted files. You simply want to check them like this, or you want to go and basically click on the three dots over here, click on Restore, and that way you've successfully restored your deleted files in Adobe Express. Okay, and then after you refresh, there we go. As you can see, it's been restored. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.